Welcome to 10 amazing CSS3 UI design projects where you're going to code ready to use UI design project with CSS. So without any further ado, let me quickly show you those 10 amazing CSS UI design projects you're going to build in this class. So this is going to be your first project, and this is a mobile first responsive card layouts. As you can see, in desktop it's a 3-column grid layout, but in tablet it's a 2-column grid layout, and in mobile it's a single column layout. So it's a mobile first layout, and as you can see, our card UI, when I hover this one, this article title changed to match its theme color. If I go to inspect element here, I can change this root color, and you see the entire theme actually changes. You see, you can change entire theme in just one go. So it's a very powerful, and this is your first project. So this is going to be your next project where you're going to learn that how to create this Facebook post and YouTube video like loading animation preview. And this is, you see, once you get into YouTube or you log in into Facebook, and if you have a low speed internet connection, then you will see this loading preview by Facebook and this one by YouTube. And you can use this loading animation preview for your articles. Next, you're going to learn that how to create this fascinating Facebook post design with comments and without comments. You see, this exactly look like a Facebook post UI, and obviously this is responsive. Here's the desktop preview, and here's the iPhone X, how it look like in mobile devices. You see, this is looking good in mobile devices too. So it is totally responsive. Next, you're going to learn that how to create this step typing effect animation, and you see it's typing letter by letter. So let me refresh it again. You see, letter by letter. Now we have another one which is smooth typing effect animation. So let me show you. Now this is gonna be smooth typing effect animation. See, smoothly typing it. And you will learn how to build these two type of typing effect animation, the steps and the smooth typing effect animation, which is this one. And we're gonna build it in pure CSS. So next you're going to learn that how to create this full screen overlay navigation with the circle animation. You see, this is the circle animation and this is your main menu. So you will learn how to create this hover effect, and obviously this is totally responsive. So inspect element, and here we go. You see, this is how it's gonna look in iPhone X. You see, click here, and this is fully responsive. Now let me show you one more thing. Open this menu and you click here. You see, I can play with this value right here. So if I say a 30%, you see that now our menu appearing as a big circle, and this is a creative look. So there we go. You see, this is how our menu appearing. Let me just refresh it, and again we are back to our full screen menu. Next you're going to learn that how to create this custom luxury scroll bar for WebKit. And you see, when I hover this one, it's also changing its theme. So it's switching the color between this scroll bar and this scroll bar thumb. And in this project, you'll learn how to build this luxury scroll bar for your website. Next, you're going to learn that how to create this creative background shape divider with SVG. And this is one version, but there's a mini version you will see in this project. For example, here we have another version, and you will see even more version in this project. In fact, you'll be master at creating this creative background shape divider with SVG. Next, you're going to learn that how to create this fascinating GUI buttons for your next project. And you see that all buttons are smoothly transitioning to its relevant state. And obviously this is responsive. So if I go in smaller devices, this is how it's gonna look. And you're going to learn how to build it in this project. Next, you're going to learn that how to create these animated buttons. So you see the slide from left, slide from right, slide from top, slide from bottom. And then we have this grow box, grow ellipse, grow skew forward, grow skew backward, and grow spin. So you see, these all are animated buttons. And again, you can change its theme completely in one single go. Simply choose any theme I want, and then I can choose the same theme right here, but I just make it a little bit darker, and you see in just couple clicks I've changed the entire theme, and you see text is also adopt the theme color. And now finally we have our last project, which is the 10th project, where you will going to learn that how to create this gradient progress scroll bar. And this is totally designed in custom way. Means you can simply just put it at the right, or you can put it into the left. So here you see that I placed this gradient progress scroll bar to the left instead of right. And you see it is totally working. And you can see at the right, you can't see that default scroll bar because it's totally hidden. And there we go. This is a progress bar in the left. And now behind the scene, I again placed into the right. So this is gonna be your 10th project where you're going to learn how to build this. And apart from our 10 UI projects, I have one special bonus project for you. So here's your bonus project. You see that I have this parrot and our content is flowing around this parrot. So see, when I hover this one, you see I have just replaced that parrot with this Ice Age squirrel character, and you see that our content is now flowing around this squirrel image. So when I go out, you see now our content is flowing around our parrot, and when I hover this one, our content is flowing around this squirrel character. You see, it's very powerful, and plus there's a few extra version of it you will see in this project, and that is gonna be a surprise for you. And by the way, inside this class, you can also request a specific UI design project you want to learn or build for your next website. And most requested UI design projects will be recorded in my future class. So hi there, my name is Rahul Giri and I'm working with CSS from more than 7 years now, and I have recorded 50 plus hours video just on CSS. So if you're ready to work on those amazing 10 UI projects with me so you can use it in your or your client's future website, then roll up your sleeves, fire up a coiter, and let's get started with 10 amazing CSS3 UI design projects.